What is up, everybody? The master trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I'm so super excited. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video like this one. Guys, today I'm so super excited because you're about to raise that small account as low as $5 and as low as $1, depending on which kind of index you are trading. For example, if you're trading boom and crash, maybe probably for you to enter your lowest lot size, you might maybe be having in your account maybe 5 USD. Maybe sometimes you might have maybe 3 USD or 4 USD. You can still enter the lowest lot size. In short, what I'm trying to say is that as long as you can be able to enter your lowest lot size on any market, you can use this strategy. But the strategy that I'm about to use right now is mainly, I repeat again, mainly applicable when it comes to boom and crash. Guys, me, I'm specialized with boom and crash, and there's just that love that I have for boom and crash. It just fills my soul. There is that special thing that comes with boom and crash, guys. So that's the thing. So basically, I'm going to help you raise that small amount of money that you have in your account into at least a substantial amount of money that you can trade with. Because I've come to the understanding that in most cases, a lot of people might know the skills, the strategies and all that, but they just need that extra push in terms of their capital, and they are good to go in terms of trading. You might know the skill, you might know how to trade, but if you don't have enough capital, it will be not good for you as far as the financial market is concerned, because you need money to trade in the financial market. So I'm going to help you raise that small account into something that is substantial for you to at least have a substantial amount of money to trade. So basically, in today's strategy, I'm going to show you two indicators that you're going to use. We're going to use two indicators, and I want you to follow step by step whatsoever I'll do. If I put a blue, guys, put a blue. If I put a green, please put a green. Just follow and I'll make you. Yeah. So just follow and you'll be made. So that's the thing. So if you follow step by step, you'll be made. That's the thing. So that's the thing. And again, there is another amazing thing that if you have not yet done it, please do it. Ensure that if you subscribe to the channel and like the video and comment and screenshot and send to the number in the description below on WhatsApp, I'll add you to our free signal groups where you get to have the premium, the ones that they are receiving signals in the premium, you get to have them for free of charge because you're my subscriber. So that's the thing. So it's an opportunity, it's an open door for anybody that would want to receive some wonderful signals from the master trader himself. So whatever I'm trading, guys, you are also trading. That's the thing. Just be a subscriber. That's the thing. So let's get started. So basically, if you've noticed on your platform, there is this new thing here. It's like they have changed a lot of things. So you come here. Back then, you would see F if you want to go on indicator. So you would come here. I don't know what symbol is this, but yeah, the only thing that we worry about is money. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come on main chart. So this is main chart, right? So if you're new and you don't know exactly where to go, you just click on this F plus. There's a F plus there. Then the first indicator that we're going to use is RSI, which is relative strength index. So there it is. So we are going to change the period will be 14, just the way it is, and it will be applied to close, and the star will be white. So in short, we don't want it to show on our graph. So that's the thing. And our levels will be level 10, level 90, level 20, and level 80. Let me just change it and put it nicely. We have 90 and we have 90 there, right? 90 there. Yeah. Looks more nice. Yeah. click done. So there it is. So this is our SI. And the next indicator that we're going to use, we're going to click there, and we are coming on indicator window 1, guys. Don't come on main chart. Come on indicator window 1. We're going to click on this F, the second F there. Yes. And the one that we're going to use this one, Ichimoku. Kinkoyo. I don't know who names this. So the first thing that we are going to put here, it will be a 5. Just copy the way it is. It will be a 5. The second thing will be a 2, the way it is here, a 2, and the third thing will be a 52, and ensure that it's the 4 is clicked here. And here we're going to put the first thing will be white, the upper comma will be blue, and the down comma will be red. So this is the only two things that you are putting there, guys. Don't put your own colors. Put the colors that I've put so that it could be easier, and it will be easier for you to actually track what I'm teaching you or trying to show you here. Yes, and we'll click yes. So you will see your relative strength index on top and your Ichimoku down. So you come on your chart now, and there it is. And you come on your 1 minute time frame. You come on your 1 minute time frame. So this is where we are making the money, guys. Already right now, guys, I feel something. I just feel something special. Something special. Yes. So basically, what we are doing, guys, is this. Wow. Guys, this strategy. So basically, what we're doing is this, guys. If you have noticed, I'll just start from here. Come in here. If you have noticed, when the market is in an uptrend, let me put where is this? When the market is in an uptrend, guys, if you have noticed, when the market is in an uptrend like this market down here, this one, it's blue. It's blue throughout. But guys, don't try it. I repeat again, don't try it to trade against the yeah. Don't try it to trade against the spikes. Don't try it. So basically the strategy works well with the spikes. Don't try to trade against the spikes. But if you have enough money and you are okay with it, it still works even against the spikes. But I would advise you not to trade against the spikes. That's just my personal advice. Yes, so that's the thing. So basically, we're coming from here going down, right? If it's in an uptrend like that, right? Yes. But I want you to check this. The moment it begins to go down, you will see that this is turning red, and that's where the secret is, guys. So what will happen is that when you see the market going in an uptrend, just like that, when you see the market going in an uptrend, don't enter simply because you have seen some spikes have started forming. No, don't do that. So you relax, you watch the Ichimoku here. You watch it, it will turn from blue. The moment it turns red, the moment it turns red, guys, when it turns red, you enter. When it turns red, you enter. So in this case, it turned red from here. If you notice, it turned red from there. It turned red from there. It turned red from here. If you have noticed there, it turned red from that side. If you notice there, right, it is red there. The moment it turns red, guys, it turns red there. You enter. So enter somewhere there, and you're catching this spike. 1, 2, 3. You're catching 1, 2, 3, 4. You go with it, guys, until it turns blue. Now let's watch and see how it went. So you enter from somewhere there, right? Enter from somewhere there. So probably you enter from somewhere there. You see? So you enter from somewhere, maybe probably here. You enter from somewhere, probably here, and you come with until it's down there, because the moment it comes there and it reaches your 20% zone, you are out. You see? So again, you wait for it to move. It will turn blue again. It will turn blue. The moment you see it turn red, the moment you see, as long as it has touched, ensure that it always touches your 90% level. Don't only enter when it only touched 80%. It should touch 90%. So you look for something that is at least good. You check it out. So for example, it's about to hit your 90 level zone. The moment it touches the 90 level zone, what do you wait for? It turns red. The moment it turns red, guys, you enter, you go with it down. In a clash, you go with it down. In a boom, you go with it up. So you don't trade against the spikes. And thank you so much. I believe that was clear. If you have any questions, comment, I will reply, or text me on WhatsApp. I will reply regarding everything. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Love you, the master trader himself here.